What's up, everybody? It is Tony from Lone Wolf Paintball, and today we've got the sound comparison back again. It's the HK Army LAZR barrel versus the Field 1 Acculock.
And why? Because who's the best source for barrels and barrel sound comparisons and everything else that's paintball related?
Paintball.com. So I have a 684 here for the LAZR bore size and a 683 for the Field 1 Acculock. Let's get on with this show and shoot these bad boys. Let's do it. All right, I've got the HK Army LAZR barrel kit on the old trusty Shocker XLS. So let's see what this bad boy reads, low or high. Let's find out. What you got, Mark?
All right, I saw 89.6.
Okay, let's rip another string through it.
Yep. I saw 90.8 was the top.
So the top, what are we going with?
I mean, give me one more.
Let me throw some more paint in there. He wants one more. He's asking for one more.
Más. All right, 91.4 is what I'm going to go with. That was kind of the
91.4?
Yep.
91.4, it is the HK Army LAZR kit. Alrighty, we've got the Field 1 Acculock barrel. Let's see this bad boy rip and see how loud or quiet it's going to be. What are we reading, Mark?
Peaked at 90. I saw 88 and 89.
Okay.
So let's see
Let's
again.
send it one more time, baby. Where are we at?
I'm going to call 88.
We're calling 88. It is the Field 1 Acculock barrel system. Woo, baby. So, after taking those boys for a spin, Mark, what did the HK Army LAZR kit come at decibel-wise?
I called it at 91.4 decibels.
91.4, and the Field 1 Acculock.
88.
88, Field 1 with that quiet boy. So put in the comments down below what you want to see us sound comparison next. And as always, find your barrels at the best source, LoneWolfPaintball.com.
See ya.